In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube clip button not showing. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is sign into your YouTube account. Also, you can switch between accounts. Also keep in mind that not all videos support the clip feature and some creators may disable it on their channels. Now you can try switching your YouTube account. For that, navigate to the U page, click on the option accounts. From here, select any other YouTube account, and from another account, try to access clip feature. Lastly, what you can do is contact YouTube support. Head over to the U page, click on this gear icon, go to the option send feedback. Now you'll need to fill in these details over here. Just explain that clip feature is unavailable in your account and you can send it. YouTube support team will get back to you. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.